And according to the internet, we are live again. Hello, all ye faithful. Actually, I don't know about all ye faithful. I don't know who's been missing the live sessions that I've been doing, but we're back again, live. And I may not use these at all, so you may have to be. Actually, I should put them on. It's not so bad. Right, put them on, take them off. Let me know in the comments which one you think is better, off or on. Today is going to be a really fun live session because we're going to be having a conversation with Shruti, who was in my gang on MTV Roadies सिर्फ 3 साल पहले यार, in 2008, just 3 years ago. She was there on the show with Nishkash, Shubda, Mehek and Rohan, and we had such an amazing time. We got to know each other really well, and then we've been friends ever since. और आज उसका नया गाना, सबसे पहला गाना बॉलीवुड का रिलीज हुआ है और मैं तो उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. I hope you've seen the song. The song is fire. The video is fire. And straight up, we're going to try and get Shruti to join us so we can have a chat about actually watching the video today, which is
Hi, I'm
very,
back.
very sweet. Oh, there you are. It said
Okay,
you were unable to
just me
join,
off.
but now here you are. Yeah, unable
We've
hai
seen
ki
you in
able
it so many times.
Kya
Yeah,
hona?
now we should get used to this.
Yes, we can see each other now. How are you?
No, I think people should get used to this now.
Chashme off. ये सही है. Oh, I mean, आपको तो आदत पड़ गई है, मगर बाकी के जो लोग हैं ये लगे ये निखिल को क्या हो गया, इसके चश्मे कहाँ गए? पहन लो. Because I used to get really annoyed answering people कि यार तेरे हुआ क्या, अभी बार-बार बताऊं कि यार मेरा थायराइड का प्रॉब्लम है, नहीं मैं ड्रग्स नहीं लेता हूं, ये शराब का इफेक्ट नहीं है, ये रात में नहीं सोने का इफेक्ट नहीं है. It's a thyroid condition which is a lot better
So
by the grace of God.
I got to know that the
But
song
it's
is like
really
was going to
nice.
come out at
सबसे पहले
11
यार
और
श्रुति,
मैंने
what
नहीं
was
देख
that
सका था
reaction
फाइनल एडिट.
of you watching
मुझे
the
कोई
video?
आइडिया नहीं था कि वो
Your
कैसा
mom in
दिखने वाला है,
tears,
मैं
your
कितनी
dog
दिखूंगी, मैं
howling.
नहीं
It was
दिखूंगी, एडिट तो
such a
मुझे काट
great
दिया जाएगा,
start
नहीं
to my
काट दिया
Sunday
मुझे कोई
today.
आइडिया नहीं था. I
बहुत
was
ही
so
ज़्यादा
excited,
sweet.
and my best friends were supposed to come to my house. The song has come out, and I haven't watched it. They're like, हम नीचे हम ऊपर आ रहे हैं, don't watch it without us. And my mom and I are waiting कि चलो देखना है. 11:10 हो गए, वो लोग आए नहीं है, and I'm like, people are posting videos. I'm not opening Instagram. And then I opened it, and I was like, चलो I'll start without them only, because I was getting very curious. I was very curious कि मुझे देखना है. I saw it and I was like, I don't look like myself. That's it. I was so excited. I still am. But अभी थोड़ा ऐसे sink in
That
हो गया.
whole
उस time नहीं
video
हुआ था.
should
उस
be
time I was
called
like,
"That's me,
oh, I'm here.
that's
I'm
me,
here.
that's me." It was just a series of you saying "That's me."
3.
Very sweet.
3. Because I wasn't allowed to. I was only allowed to post
So
three of those photos. I posted 3.
when you shot the video, तो आपने उस टाइम पे इतने सारे फोटोज डाले थे उस शूट के कि हम तो बस बहुत हो गया था.
Those
3
were
नहीं,
my stories.
300 डाले होंगे आपने. You,
Yeah.
there was one in the rain, there was one in the red dress, and there's another one in the rain, then one more in the rain, and then it just kept raining photographs
Oh, that.
over and over. So, but then those were just, oh yes, oh so those one post, oh so stories is allowed. अच्छा, तो this is
So, I think
like
before the
okay.
lockdown, okay, I got a call
So how did this song come
for
about?
a song
Like how did the
कि
offer
ये गाना है,
come?
we want
What
you
did
to
you
do it.
think
And I
about
was like,
it?
okay. पहले मैंने हाँ
जो
बोल
आपने
दिया. And then
पहली
they're
बार
like,
गाना
there are
सुना,
4
आपको अच्छा
other
लगा,
girls
नहीं
with
अच्छा
you.
लगा, कहानी बताओ
And
इसकी.
me being me, I want to do the lead always. So मैंने बोल दिया, मतलब मैंने 3 साल से कोई as such big project नहीं उठाया acting dancing wise, because I was like, मैं सीधा धर्मा करूंगी, मैं सीधा मूवी करूंगी, मेरे हेड में है. You can judge me all you want, but I want to do like the lead. Okay. So I was like, no. I said no for that project. Okay. So she's like, are you sure it's for a movie? It's a good song. But I said, no, I don't want to do it. If it's a lead, you can call me. Okay, done. Yeah, I said no. And then this was
Okay.
before the lockdown, last year February. And then during the lockdown, I get a call from I used to assist as a choreographer, right? So this other assistant
Smart
choreographer
move.
friend of mine, she called
Smart
me
move.
and she's like, there is this song, and these people saw your video and they want you. I said, is this for a lead? सबसे पहला question. They're like, yeah, yeah. I said, okay. ठीक है, एक दिन हो गया,
Hmm.
मेरे को लग रहा था ऐसे बहुत फेक कास्टिंग कॉल्स आते हैं, ये भी वैसा ही होगा. एंड देन 2 days later I get a call from T Series, they're asking for budget. पूरा कंफर्म हो गया, ओके. एंड देन दे सेंड मी द कॉल शीट व्हिच
Nice.
सेज देयर इज हनी सिंह, देयर इज जॉनी अब्राहम, देयर इज इमरान हाशमी इन द सॉन्ग. कॉल शीट है, सबका टाइम लिखा है. और मैं सोच रही हूँ ये तो झूठा ही है, हो ही नहीं सकता. They didn't ask for my audition, they didn't ask for anything, they just confirmed me. I was like, this is not possible.
Hmm.
But that's the catch. That's the catch. They did not know me. Yeah, so I was
But
thinking all this.
they've seen you dancing in the entertainment
Yeah,
task on
that is, I
Roadies. You
was
don't
just
need
like,
another audition after that.
yeah. So all this while I
With the
was
whole.
thinking that, okay, I got this because of my social media and because I've been on like roadie splits and all of that.
Oh,
So I
is
was
that
thinking,
right?
oh, this is probably because of my social
That
media, and I
that's
was
even that
still
is
very
even
happy. But
more
to
amazing
me it was like
that they
ये
only
जोक है,
picked
ये
you
नहीं होने
based on your
वाला.
dance.
मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक ये तो है ही नहीं, मैं बोल के वैसे कि वो होगा एंड लाइक क्यों हुआ नहीं. इट आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट इट्स फेक, इट्स अ फेक कास्टिंग कॉल, से कोई मेरे साथ प्रैंक कर रहा है. एंड देन दे कॉल्ड मी कि रिहर्सल डेट्स आगे पोस्टपोन हो गई है. सो आई वाज लाइक अब तो पक्का ही नहीं हो रहा है, ये झूठा ही है. And then September end, they gave me the rehearsal dates. I went for rehearsal. There was nobody, okay? It was just my rehearsal with the choreographers. I heard the song for the first time there, and I was like, oh, nice song. And I learned the whole thing, but it was just me. So again, I was just like, there's nobody, there's no dancers, there's सिर्फ मैं अकेली सीख रही हूँ. Then I rehearsed the entire day for like 8 hours. We rehearsed.
Okay.
पूरा मैंने सीख लिया. फिर थोड़ी थोड़ी चीजें होने लगी. The costume people came home, they took my size, they gave me the shoes, everything. Then next day I went for rehearsal. Yeah, I was. No, there
So who decided on
the
that
red dress
dress?
wasn't even
Because
a
from what I
part.
know from your posts, you were totally in love with that dress, the red dress.
But the
Like,
red
did
dress
you choose
wasn't
it
even
yourself?
part of
Did
the
you choose it
plan.
yourself? You're like, I want
Shoot
this
dates were
dress.
only
If I'm going
supposed
to
to
be the
be
lead,
two
मैं
days.
lead ही करूंगी और मैं
And
यही dress पहनूंगी.
जब मैं शूट पे गई,
Because
so
you went
first was
on
like
and
my
on
black
about the
outfit.
dress
We
and you're
shot the
like, हाँ
entire
अच्छा
thing.
है, लाल कलर का dress है,
Second
तो
was my
ठीक है,
silver
फिर
outfit, which was for
इतना
my
भी क्यों?
solos. And apparently they really liked my work, is what I heard. That they got me a third outfit and a third day of shoot in water. वाटर ने पहले कैसे छोटे से एक उसमें होने वाला था, कैसे पडल टाइप में. नो रेन नथिंग, ओके, नो रेन नथिंग.
Okay.
कैसे. But it wasn't like the rain wasn't a part of it, but like they really liked my dancing. I'm
एक
guessing
छोटे से
that's what
किस
they
टाइप में?
told me. So there was another day of shoot, and मैं सुबह
Initially,
6
I was
बजे सेट
supposed
पे
to be
पहुंच
dancing
चुकी
in
हूँ,
a
and they're
puddle.
like, your third costume is
Puddle
being
को
made
लगा
right
के.
now. वो आएगी.
हाँ.
That is the red costume. And there was nobody on the third day. It was just my shoot. The whole rain part, I am. Oh yeah, so when I was shooting, I posted a story and I tagged the choreographer, which is Rajiv Surti sir, and he's like,
So
"You have 1.2 million followers," and I was like,
when you were
"Yeah,
saying
isn't
that
that why you guys took
they
me?"
liked your
He's
work,
like,
who's the
"No, we
they?
saw your
And where did
YouTube
they see
video,
your work?
and that is how we took you." And I was like, "But YouTube has helped me. I don't know how,
You know
but
how
there's this."
heartbroken the
He saw
makers of
this one
Roadies and
video of
Splitsvilla are
mine,
right
which was
now. वो
मैंने
तो
अपने
सोच रहे हैं
YouTube
कि
पे ऐसे
हमारी
डाल रखा
वजह
था
से
हुस्न
हमारी
परचम, and
लड़की
they
आगे गई
they
है
saw my dancing and
और
they're
अब पता
like,
चला कि
she
नहीं,
does jazz and
तुम्हारी वजह से नहीं,
we wanted a
ये
jazz
तो खुद
dancer,
गई
and
है.
that's how they took me. But like that shoot was very, very tough for me. Like the heels were so bad. मेरे को हर take के बाद I was removing my heels, I was putting Relly spray and I was massaging it with like a tennis ball because the nerves were like पूरी ऐसे खिंच गई थी and I couldn't
Okay.
walk. So because I used to do ballet, right? So the arch of my foot is
ये क्या
gone
ये
because I
ये
used
क्या
to do
टेक्निक है?
point.
प्लीज
So it's
समझाओ,
anyway
क्योंकि
very
बहुत सारे
weak.
लड़कियां हाई
So
हील्स
the
पहनती हैं
muscles
and
and
they
the
all
nerves
complain
here
about
keep getting like pulled.
their legs
So I have to
hurting
massage
and
it
their
with
feet
like a
hurting. So what
tennis
is
ball
this
to
tennis
relax
ball
it.
technique?
So after every take, I was doing that in my shoot. So my sport dada was like,
हाँ.
shoot खत्म होते ही पानी नहीं दे रहे थे मुझे, जेली स्प्रे और वो बॉल दे रहे थे कि करो आप मसाज. I couldn't walk, and the third dress, my heel broke in the water. The heel only
Okay.
broke. मैंने rubber
So
band से बांध रखा है. Yeah, obviously. But because of the whole dancing thing, the heel broke. So मैंने उसको ऐसे rubber band से tight कर रखा है. So the blood was like, circulation had stopped. I got a shock. There was a खुला wire in the पानी, and I was
obviously
walking
the
to
shoes
get
were
like
not
my
Jimmy Choo.
short checked. और मैं ऐसे चल के जा रही हूँ, and suddenly I got a shock, and I was like, I can't feel
Okay.
my right leg. Completely numb. And I was like, give me 2 minutes. और मेरे दिमाग में ना हर शॉट से पहले ये चल रहा था कि uh, one opportunity, you get one
Oh,
opportunity, don't screw this up, जो भी हो रहा है करते रहो कोई बात नहीं, पेन हो रहा है कल देख लेना. या या आई वाज जस्ट लाइक, मैं इतना इतना ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था बिकॉज मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. और ऐसे बैक टू बैक बुलाए जा रहे
this
थे
is
सेट
like
पे, ये करो
this
वो
is like
करो ये
Eminem's
करो वो
8
करो,
Mile.
कॉस्ट्यूम में
You get
प्रॉब्लम हो
one
रही है, हील
chance.
में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है.
One
मेरे
shot.
बाल इतने छोटे थे और गाने में इतने लंबे हैं. आई वोर 3 hair extensions which is very heavy, you wouldn't understand, which is very heavy. The weight of, then you will know it is very heavy, plus the water weight.
Okay.
And then I had to do like hair flips and shit. Then my
Wait,
costume was
I'm going to
around
get
what,
hair
5
extensions next
6
year for Rudy.
kgs, I
मेरे भी
don't know, it
बाल
was
झड़ रहे
very
हैं, तो
heavy,
मैं
plus the
भी
water
आपकी
weight.
तरह इतने इतने लंबे बाल के
मैं
hair
खत्म थी
extensions
उस शूट के.
लगाऊंगा.
And
Then I
it
will.
was very hard. I
It
have
was
no
it was,
idea.
it was
I've
hard.
been dancing
But listen,
ever since I was born.
let's
I
pause for a
honestly
second.
don't
How
know.
did this all
But
start?
like I know
What was your early entry into dance? What is your interest in
because
dance? Who ignited that interest for you?
नहीं मेरी my mom, like मैं जब before I joined a dance class which was when I was 4, उससे पहले
So
मैं अपनी स्लीप में
your
भी ऐसे
parents
बीट
made
पे
you go
ऐसे
to a
ऐसे ऐसे
dance
करती
class क्योंकि
रहती,
बच्चे तो
बीट पे.
वैसे
हाँ,
नहीं करना
एकदम
चाहते ना,
ऐसे
पियानो क्लास,
ऑफ
गिटार
बीट ही
क्लास,
नहीं, मैं
डांस क्लास,
नींद में
सिंगिंग क्लास
डांस करती होती थी.
करना
So
नहीं
my
चाहते
mom
थे.
thought that, like maybe I like dancing, and then when my mom went to a Kathak class with her friend because उनको अपनी daughter को enroll कराना था, and then उन्होंने तो नहीं कराया. My mom ended up enrolling me, and I danced Kathak for 10 years. And then I got, फिर बस मुझे, yeah, it's the same. 4 to 14, I did Kathak.
You did Kathak for 10 years? That must have been even more hard for you than the ballet.
होता है.
Wow. And then you
It's
appeared on MTV Roadies, and I had just done my first season of Roadies. And for some reason उस सीजन में उन्होंने एंटरटेनमेंट टास्क नहीं किया था, मगर मुझे बताया गया था कि यार यूजुअली हर साल
for
एक
the
entertainment task होता है, और मैंने
entertainment
कहा
task.
कि भैया ये तो मेरे से नहीं होगा. So when you appeared and you did that, what do you call
I
it, aerial
thought you
spin, and
really
you excelled
liked
in the end.
me.
I'm like, यार इसको तो मेरी
I
टीम में तो
thought you
लेना ही
really
पड़ेगा, गाड़ी
liked
में लेना ही
me.
पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मेरे से तो नहीं होगा ये एंटरटेनमेंट टास्क. And then I hit the red button for you because you were dancing, because I'm like,
Oh
for the
shit, you
entertainment
shouldn't
task.
have told
Listen,
me this.
fully selfish, because I knew that I would not be able to do it. Yes, the dancing was
Losing.
great. I thought you were fantastic. Like, but you, why shouldn't I have told you that? Because
Yeah, I was a
after
part
that,
of
you
Dancing
proved
Yeah
yourself
Dance,
in more ways than one,
season
not
5.
just in the entertainment task, which we ended up
I
losing
broke my
because
shoulder
I
there.
wasn't able. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's okay.
I broke my
But
shoulder and then I got out
you
very,
also
very
did
early. I
stuff
think third or
before
fourth episode I was out.
Roadies on other reality shows, right?
2015,
You did Dance
3
with the
years
Dance.
before release. That also happened ऐसे ही. I was in my 12th standard और मेरी मम्मी हर साल मुझे बोलती थी कि go for DID, go for
So
DID, go
you
for DID.
auditioned for
Oh,
Dance India Dance in
Bhatia!
which year was this?
What's up?
Okay.
फिर से
हाँ
कमर श्रुति स्टेप क्या है? वाह श्रुति,
Oh!
नाइस वन।
ये भी डीआईडी वाले आ गए।
यस यस,
डैडी
हाँ
6 साल
8 साल आई गेस हो गए।
मचेगा
6 साल
शोर।
ओके ठीक है,
मुझे
6-7
भी
साल आई
सीखना है।
गेस हो गए हैं।
भाटिया तूने
मैं
एक
ऐसी
पोस्ट लगाया
आया
था
था
ना कि
दिल्ली
आपने
डीआईडी
श्रुति
ऑडिशन
को
के लिए एंड मुझको 2
डीआईडी के
लड़कियां
लाइन
दिखी।
में देखा था
श्रुति और
5
उसकी एक
साल
फ्रेंड
पहले,
थी,
6 साल पहले, 10 साल
ये लोग
पहले,
फुल बैल
25
में
साल
जा
पहले।
रहे थे। तो मैं ऐसे उनको वो 2 लड़कियां हैं भाई, ये कुछ तो करने वाली है कंटेम्प मतलब हमारे तो था ना कंटेम्प, पता नहीं क्या होता है। हम वो पॉपिंग है पॉप वाले थे, भाई कंटेम्प कुछ चल रहा भाई इनका यहाँ पे, तो ये तो पक्का सिलेक्ट हो जाएगी। और फिर श्रुति डीआईडी में आई, फिर ये इसका शो भी देखा, इसने शो में फुल किल किया। फिर ये रोडीज में आई, तो मैं वो देखता रहा, मतलब मैं इसको फॉलो करता रहा कि कोई लड़की है, वो मेरे सामने गई लाइन में लग के, फिर वो आगे आई, फिर डीआईडी में आई, फिर रोडीज में आई, फिर रोडीज में मैंने श्रुति के लिए रोडीज देखा। फिर उसके बाद स्प्लिट में आई, फिर मैंने श्रुति को देख के श्रुति से सीखा कि श्रुति स्प्लिट में क्या करते हैं। और
ये
तो
हो सकता है।
बसीर है, प्रियांक है, इन सबको देख के मतलब मैंने थोड़ा सा बना लिया कि ठीक है ऐसा करना है क्या। It was like that. But ये सब मेरा ख्वाब पूरा हो गया। मैंने
So
जो एक रील
your
बनाई थी,
success in Splitsvilla
सबने
is
पूरे हो
because
गए
of
मेरे।
Shruti.
लाफा
क्या कहने का
मारी।
ये मतलब है?
But backside के श्रुति
We
What-
made a we randomly met and we made a reel and that reel went viral.
दो-
No, just the two of us dancing, wearing full white. And that
Which reel is this?
Yes, ये देखो।
you must have.
It reached I guess
Oh,
8-9
this is the
million
four
views, तो
girls.
मेरे आईडी से भी
Ashish in the middle.
अच्छा खासा पहुंच गया। वो दोनों की प्रोफाइल से वो रील अच्छी हो गई।
हाँ,
इस गाने पे श्रुति और मैं बना रहे हैं। निखिल
What?
सर, you can join if you want to.
I think I've seen this
making a
one as
video
well.
on Machega.
Yeah.
आप
It it is very easy, you know. The steps are very easy. It has been made ताकि लोग आसानी से कर पाए and ये
हाँ, मैं साइड में ताली हो जाऊंगा।
जो लाइन है वो भी ऐसे दिमाग में बैठ गई है लोगों के।
आ जाएगा बात।
My friend, oh my God,
I'm
कल
learning-
से
I'm
because
learning-
I also
I'm
I
learning the
मेरे
steps.
पास तो गाना
See, now
6
if
महीने
you
से
do
पड़ा
it-
है ना, जब से शूट किया है। My best friend keeps playing it in the car. I'm like हो गया भाई, अभी निकलने दो दे, रुक जा। Yesterday she was playing and ऐसे विंडो डाउन करके गाड़ी में सबको बोल रही है कल आपको समझ आएगा ये क्या है, कल आएगा। I'm like
एक्साइटमेंट। और वो होता है ना कि दोस्त करते हैं। Yes.
the song is doing pretty great. It is already at 6.6 million views.
I'll show you कितना क्या कर रहा है सॉन्ग जा रहा है
6.6 million views.
ट्रेंडिंग
Trending
1 पे
one.
इंडिया में। It's on
Now the
trending 1
challenge will be in how many
Sure,
unique
मचेगा।
places will
Yes,
people
Yeah.
do
YouTube
this
पे।
step.
Well and true, I'm proud of you. मुझे कल ही श्रुति रात को मिली एंड इसके पहले मैंने बोला श्रुति तो कितनी इंस्पायरिंग है यार।
I just checked.
मतलब अभी इसने पोल डांसिंग स्टार्ट किया था कुछ टाइम पहले।
Trending on
फिर मैं
one.
इसकी स्टोरीज देखता रहा। उसके बाद एकदम से ये दुबई गई, इसका पोल से दुबई स्टूडियो है, वहां पे इसने
Yeah.
जब
I
भाटिया और
put
मैं
like
अभी
all my
केरला में थे,
videos. मैं अपना
आपने कुछ
fail
pole
भी
dancing
डालती हूँ,
videos
like
डाले थे,
I'm
भाटिया
putting
was
my
talking about this, saying
progress
that, you know,
because I want to
you're
look
now
at
not
myself
only
growing.
getting
Or
better at pole dancing, but you've
I've
also got
only
the
been
flow
doing
and
it
the
for like
rhythm of
6
doing
months.
the steps.
I am
Right
bruised
after that, you
all over
posted a
right
video where
now.
you fell off the pole.
Like my legs, mama was saying कि क्या हो गया है, मतलब क्या कर गया you? It's bruised. It's very hard. एक तो strength. If you don't do it for like
But that
more
is
than 2
that
weeks, you lose all
pole
your strength.
dancing
So you
is
have to be
hard.
at it. Yeah. I know about it. I know everything about it.
You got to constantly do it.
So,
क्योंकि हमने
yes,
भाटिया
he did.
भाटिया से पूछा था कि क्या वो जो मेरा नया शो है, which we are doing, which is
So,
not yet named, but everybody
तो
knows.
बाकी जो बॉयज है ना जो
We
मतलब
try to
girls
get
को
भाटिया
seduce
to
करने
pole
के लिए ना
dance
ऐसे
करे, मगर
बूटी
उसने
शेक
मना
कर
कर
दे
दिया
रहे थे।
यार। मेरे को
तो
बहुत
उनका हर
बुरा
लड़की
लगा
को
because
बूटी
he
पसंद
did
नहीं
the
है।
pole
मैं
dancing
मतलब
for
तो jealous
Splitsvilla in
है।
his season. Like full moves.
I would
He
have
showed
done
me the
that
moves off camera.
and but
मैंने
पता
दिखा
चल
था
ठीक है
एक
मैं
बार।
अपना कर चुका हूँ स्प्लिट्स में
एक
यार।
बार दिखा था
नेक्स्ट
वो।
सीजन लाइक चांस है इनको एक बार हो जाए, ये लोग दिख जाए आराम से। मैंने मैं आऊंगा तो
हाँ
फिर
फिर मैं आऊंगा, वो शायद हो जाएगा ना।
चल ठीक है, इनका मोमेंट है यार करने। और मैं वैसे जस्ट जस्ट जिम के बाद वहां पे आए थे और मैं ऐसी टी शर्ट में था और निखिल बोलते कि आशीष कर दे। मैं कहा, अरे ऐसे कैसे, वो बाल खराब हो रखे हैं जिम ऐसे। बट वो लाइक मोमेंट नहीं था, वरना तो हम मौका ढूंढते हैं यार परफॉर्मेंस करने
Yeah.
का।
हाँ मैं तो यहाँ से, या या आई नो आई नो। I'm actually very excited for
You know,
that.
the funny thing is,
अरे तो
Shruti, we
जो
were
भी
making up the show as we were doing
नहीं,
it.
मुझे पता
जब
नहीं
मुझे
थी
ना
नया
सब
show हम कर
पता
रहे थे
है,
ना,
मेरे
आशीष
बहुत
was there
सोर्सेज
कि
है।
जो कुछ भी अच्छा आइडिया लग रहा था वो उसको अप्लाई कर रहे थे and we were just kind of
मेरा आज सुबह ये
shooting. It
हाल
was
था।
crazy fun.
मैं एक्साइटेड तो थी, पर मुझे मेरा सुबह ये सेम हाल था।
I don't
सुबह मेरे को पता था, एक्साइटेड तो थी पर मुझे पता नहीं था कैसा
I,
आएगा
I
गाना।
don't know how it's gonna come out. Honestly, मैं excited तो हूँ मगर मुझे पता नहीं कि कैसे निकलेगा.
कि कोई और पता नहीं
क्या क्या क्या?
कुछ था कि
आई एम स्टिल डूइंग दैट।
and
जब भी प्ले हो रहा है तब मैं वही कर रही हूँ।
But that video of yours, भाटिया तूने देखा ये श्रुति का रिएक्शन वीडियो अपना खुद. It's me,
Hey,
that's
Piyush.
me, that's me, that's me. Oh, one of our contestants from the new show is here. Piyush is
और
here.
उसको पता
Hey
To
Piyush,
look
how's it
at,
going? Piyush is always ready
very
to take his
exciting to
shirt
look
off.
at.
Always. And then he also would. One of the girls removed all his
Ooh.
hair on one of the episodes. Very exciting. Very exciting. पीयूष को बहुत मजा आया उस टाइम पे.
Yes, I was there for a month,
उसको तो
and
बहुत मजा आया. I was
it
actually a little
was my
scared.
cousin's wedding on
We'll see that
21st.
later. But
So
listen,
I thought मैं एक महीने पहले चली जाती हूँ
what
and
were you
I'll do
doing
my
in
pole
Dubai?
dance session.
You were there recently and
Because
you did your
India
first
में
skydive.
my ज़्यादा teachers हैं नहीं. I was in Delhi for like 3 months learning pole. So and my teacher got injured in Delhi. So I was like, okay, now I'll go to Dubai and I have to keep learning because मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ. Every time I learn something new, I have to learn it completely. और फिर दूसरी चीज सीखने पे जाऊंगी. तो मैंने बोला Dubai is like, anyway I had to go, so I'll go early. I went there, I joined the classes. Very tough. Oh, I died. After every class I has to be like आधे घंटे तो मैं पढ़ी होती थी, फिर मैं थोड़ी एनर्जी आती थी घर वापस जाने के लिए. Uh, so yeah, and I did my first. I was also promoting Dubai tourism. So they were like, "What activities are you into?" I said, "I want to skydive for fun." I just said for fun. Okay, I didn't actually think that they would arrange it for me. They did. I went एक दिन, and it was very foggy. I waited 6 hours for my jump, and it didn't happen. And the only next date I could get was 23rd, which was my last day in Dubai. And I was like, if this does not happen, then I will be so sad. But I went on 23rd. I did it. I wasn't scared at all. मुझे honestly, like I had fun. It was amazing. But I didn't get the adrenaline rush. I get the adrenaline rush when I'm on pole more than skydiving. It was a very normal thing for me. When I was there, I'll show you the video. I will show you the video. My face is like, okay, we're gonna jump,
It
we're
is.
gonna
It is.
jump,
It
we're
is
gonna jump. We
amazing.
jumped, and we're like, yeah, okay, yeah, okay, cool, yeah.
wow.
I got that. Maybe now I'm gonna try bungee. Yeah, मैंने बोला ना now I'm gonna try bungee.
Yeah, but
मुझे चाहिए
part
वो
of the
feeling ना,
reason is
मेरी नहीं
because
पड़ी
you
because
have
I was like,
physical
हाँ, this guy
contact
will
with
save
somebody
me.
else, with your tandem instructor, right? अगर आप अकेले होते ना, आपने कभी बंजी जंपिंग किया है?
Yeah, I know.
बंजी में फटती है, honestly.
That is what I said, right? And now I want to try
आप
bungee
करो,
because I
आप
was
करो.
thinking that,
You'll see
this will be
what
like,
I'm talking about. Because
this
when you
will be
stand
it.
at the edge of the bungee platform with your ankles tight
Yeah.
and
हाँ
you
तो
look
मुझे
down
पता है कब
and you
मजा
see
आया
that
जब
drop
हम
like that,
पैराशूट में से चिल कर रहे थे and then he gave me the
that's an
handle and he's
interesting
like just
feeling.
go right left. I was like हाँ this is fun.
No,
Yes,
skydiving is
yeah, I was
skydiving
doing
is
it. He
literally
gave
as
me the
easy as
handle. He's
falling out
like,
of a
you do
plane.
whatever you want.
मजाक नहीं कर
Up, matlab, you
बहुत
go
आसान.
fast. Down, matlab, you stop. Right, you turn right. Left, you turn left. I was like, हाँ, let's do this.
Left, right.
That was
अब
fun.
अब तो
Being
हम
like
Will
this
will
in
you
the
do
air
loops
with
with
my
you?
face going like that wasn't fun. Like, okay. The video, I look so funny in the
आप
video. Everything.
को मॉल लेके
Hmm?
निखिल सर हम सबको मालदीव्स लेके जा रहे हैं। श्रुति को बताया नहीं आपने? श्रुति ये हम सबको
स्ट्रीट फूड एडवेंचर्स नहीं, पिछली बार भी नहीं किया था, आप लोगों को लेके गए थे।
क्या करा?
शूट।
हाँ एक गुम नाम है कोई वॉक किया जो प्रोड्यूसर
को इनवाइट नहीं किया मैंने।
जब मैं कर रहा था तो बोला
grown
कि
up
आप
time.
चेंज कर दो।
But listen, Bhatia, you also went to Dubai and did
सूट
some
निकालना है क्या?
crazy shoot.
अरे हाँ चेंज कर दो।
बहुत
मैंने तो फोटो नहीं लिया इसमें।
कौन
तो
सा
ले
लगा
लो। ठीक है, अब कोई मिला नहीं मुझे ऐसा बंदा, वो सब अपने काम में बिजी थे,
Hair goes flying.
लेंसेज वगैरह। तो मैंने बोला, मैं कहा प्रोड्यूसर सर आप ही एक बार आ जाओ, बस नीचे बैठ जाओ। और प्रोड्यूसर जमीन में नीचे बैठा है और मैं से वॉक करके गया, एक स्लो मोशन लिया बस वो ऐसे बालों का कुछ आ गया था। आई लाइक दैट, तो मैं कहा चल ठीक है डालता हूँ एक बार। डाला इन दी ट्री 16 मिलियन समथिंग। उसकी वजह से हमको बहुत फॉलो। वो मुझे तो है। एंड फिर नेक्स्ट शॉट था उसने पीछे बुर्ज खलीफा भी आ रहा था, उससे तो वो दुबई भी चलता है ना फिर।
बहुत ही सिंपल वीडियो है।
हाँ।
something that you can
ये this I've actually realized every time I'm traveling my
Point where the song
followers go
drops.
up.
Because when
Even when I was
there's
in
something about
Maldives,
it that
even when I
just
was in
works.
Istanbul,
We
or
should
sure.
to make दुबई में
What? How
रील्स
many?
बनाए रील्स।
मेरे पास ऑनेस्टली कोई था ही नहीं, मैं ट्राइपॉड लेके गई थी और मेरे को ना वहाँ पे मेरे को रूल्स तोड़ने में बहुत फटती है। तो मैं बाहर में आई वाज वॉकिंग द एंटायर टाइम, आई वाज टेकिंग द मेट्रो और कैब, सो वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू रिमूव द मास्क, राइट? तो मैंने सोचा मैं ट्राइपॉड रखती हूँ और मैं मास्क उतार, फिर मेरी हालत खराब हो गई। मैं कहा नहीं 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 नहीं, छोड़ो कोई बात नहीं मैं बिना रील्स के चल लूंगी, मैं जाके अपनी क्लासेस में रील्स बना लूंगी, बट मैं मास्क उतार के मुझे मुझे फाइन नहीं देना, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है रूल्स तोड़ने में। तो मैं बहुत अच्छे बच्चों की तरह आई वाज लाइक वेयरिंग 2 masks the entire time. I was like, I don't even want COVID.
मुझे आया मैं ये वीडियो कर रहा था दुबई एयरपोर्ट के जस्ट लेफ्ट साइड में, ये वीडियो था, मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा था। सो जब ये पार्ट आया, भंगड़े का पार्ट, गाना आवाज क्लियर आ रही, एक मिनट जस्ट अ मिनट, ठीक है। तो ये आया और पुलिस गाड़ी आई यहाँ पे अंदर। अब ये मेरी फट गई। तो मैंने आधी वीडियो बना ली है, वो जो यूएसए का पार्ट में कर रहा था कि वहाँ पे ब्रेकिंग चलती है, बहुत ब्रेकिंग में लोग बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं, एंड यहाँ पे भंगड़े में लोग मैक्स वाइब करते हैं। ऐसा मैंने एक बनाया, वो ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहा था। तो फर्स्ट पार्ट ऐसा आया, मैंने वो किया, यूएसए वाला पार्ट किया और मैं गाड़ी देख रहा था, बहुत देर से गाड़ी वहाँ खड़ी हुई थी लेफ्ट में। तब मैं थोड़ा सा पीछे आके मैंने फोन नीचे लगाया, मैं एक वीडियो करता हूँ यार, जाने वाला हूँ, अच्छा आ रहा है पीछे का बैकग्राउंड वगैरह। और जैसे ही मैंने आगे वो आया, यूएसए हो गया भंगड़ा, तो मैं इस पे आया और आगे से गाड़ी, वो एयरपोर्ट पुलिस की गाड़ी, तो मैंने पूरा डांस कर रही, मैं रुका नहीं, लास्ट तक मैंने किया और मैं कहा ओह शिट गया। अब वो ऐसे ही बोलता है हे यू कम हियर, मी यस यू। मैंने फिर पासपोर्ट वगैरह साइड में, तब मैंने उठाया और फोन रखा जेब में। मैं कहा यस सर व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाई आर शूटिंग हियर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज व्हाट आर यू शूटिंग। So I was just shooting a video. It's my first time in Dubai, so I was just collecting my memory. मैं बहुत प्यार से भोला बन के बात कर रहा था। It's like कि what did you shot? Show me. उसको दिखाया मैंने म्यूजिक पे की, तब तो यूएसए और वो झंडा नहीं लगाया था मैंने, थैंक गॉड, वरना वो बोलता ओ ये क्या कर रहा है भाई तू यूएसए इंडिया का यहाँ पे आके। सो मैंने दिखाया, मैंने
झंडा नहीं लगाया था।
शो मी मोर वीडियो। मैंने फिर अपने प्रोफाइल दिखाई, तो एक वो वॉक वाला वीडियो था, वो सुंदर था, वॉइस थे, उसको वो दिखाया मैंने। तो वो ऐसे देख रहा है और मुझको देख रहा है, ऐसा किया और मेरी फटी। मैंने कहा ओ भाई ये तो कुछ फाइन, और वहाँ तो फाइन भी वहाँ के दिरहम्स का फाइन तो हमारे इंडिया में लाखों
3000 दिरहम्स का था।
हाँ। नहीं वो अराउंड
मैं करती थी
60-70 की हो जाएगा।
हाँ, 3000 दिरहम्स का फाइन था उधर बिना मास्क के।
तुम फाइन ले लोगे तो
कैलकुलेट कर रहा है,
बट देन उसको डांस अच्छा लगा, तो इज लाइक दैट्स योर प्रोफाइल। मेरे को लगा ये प्रोफाइल सेव कर रहा है भाई, इसको बैन कर दो, दुबई नहीं आने देना अगली बार। ये माय प्रोफाइल, मैं झूठ भी क्या बोलता उससे। तो फिर उसने ऐसे किया फॉलो, यू डांस गुड सो आई लीव यू, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम डोंट शूट मी एयरपोर्ट। यस। और मैं भी अफलातून हूं, मैंने उसके अप्रूवल के बाद पता इसको क्या बोला, सर ये टेक अच्छा नहीं आया, एक टेक वापस ले लूं। ओके
हाँ मैं तो रोने लग जाती, वो मुझे बोलता है यू कम, या मैं रोने लग जाती।
बट उसने बोला ना कि लाइक यू डांस गुड सो आई लीव यू बट डोंट डू इट अगेन। बट सर एक टेक और ले लूं छोटा सा, Okay, after I go,
इसे कहते हैं
we can
हिम्मत।
shoot, but not for too
इसे
long.
कहते हैं
Yeah,
roadie
for
spirit।
sure, for sure. तो ये था, बाकी हाँ फन था यार, दुबई तो काफी अच्छा था। I guess अगर श्रुति और मैं साथ में कभी दुबई जाएं, ऐसा कुछ करें, या जो हमारा पूरा एमटीवी गैंग है वो साथ में कोई दुबई जाए तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। लेट्स प्लान यार, हम
मेरे को
पूरा
बहुत
एमटीवी
बोरिंग लगी वो जगह। इट इज आई फाउंड दैट प्लेस वेरी बोरिंग। इट्स ऑल मैन मेड ना, मेरे को कुछ देखने को मिल रहा है। बिल्डिंग बिल्डिंग देख के क्या करूंगी मैं? I wasn't hanging out with anybody.
Point.
I was alone. I love my own
यार
company. I love my own company.
yes,
I discovered almost everything because they took me
That's
to
because
places. My
you are
favorite
hanging out
place
with
was
all
the
the wrong
Bollywood
people.
parks and the
You
motion
hang with the
park,
right
the
people
theme
in
park.
I
Oh,
That's the problem. That is the problem. But then when you're on your own, it's very difficult to
it's
discover
so
things.
much fun. Motion Gate was the best. Like I liked Motion Gate more than Bollywood parks because वो ऐसे
My
Madagascar
sister-in-law
और
lives
ऐसे
in Dubai,
उन
and
सारी
she
गेम्स पे,
loves
उन
the
सारी
place.
सीरीज
Like
पे,
every
मूवीज
weekend,
पे
there's
उनने
something happening.
राइड्स
There's
बना
like
रखी थी। It was so much fun. They're telling us the story, the way they made it, the rides. It was so much fun.
I
ये
think
वापस मेरा
I think हमें पूरे एमटीवी गैंग को एक प्लान करना चाहिए, एक
ओह
ट्रिप, और बहुत सारी रील्स, स्लो मोशंस, व्लॉग, ये सब कुछ करना चाहिए हमको सबको साथ में एक बार।
कंटेंट क्रिएशन ट्रिप होगी ये, एमटीवी ट्रिप नहीं होगी। Oh, I was like, oh, today
Just
I
Sohil,
also hit 1.3 million.
just Sohil is here. Adam,
Me last night.
whoa,
Yes.
what,
बड़े
what was the
बड़े
O? Who hit 1.3 million?
Hello,
Do not.
guys.
Oh, you hit
Hi.
1.3 million. Excellent. Well done. Congratulations.
Yeah,
क्या
I
कैसा
was there
है?
for
But
30
listen,
days.
you were
I
you were
cried like
talking
a
नमस्कार
about
kid.
भाटिया
crying very easily.
हाय
How many
बहुत
times did you
निखिल
cry
हाय
on roadies?
खुशी
Hi.
तुझे पता है यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं आज हम?
क्या क्या
तूने
कर
सॉन्ग
रहे
देखा?
हैं यस 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 अमेजिंग दैट स्टेप
Oh,
ये पकड़ना एक मिनट मेरे को
अरे मेरी बात
You इसका भी एक नया वीडियो निकल रहा है, बहुत बहुत स्टड वाला फीलिंग वाला वीडियो, लाइक
ये
obviously.
you know what guys, this is
एक
actually
बार सब
a
साथ में करते
great
हैं,
song
सेकंड
for
के
Mumbai Indians, for the cricket team,
Wait, let me
if they do
screen
well in
record
the
it.
IPL, which
Okay,
they tend to do. I was going to say RCB, but RCB like
okay, मैं कर रहा हूँ.
particularly well, even though I love the team. मगर स्टेडियम में यार, स्टेडियम में ये गाना
Done.
बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Let's go.
I can't hear the song.
Okay.
So sweet, yeah, you guys. It was something
Neither can
else.
I. I'm just
God,
going with
it
the
was.
flow.
I don't even remember the step anymore.
Maybe step.
We look like four butchers at work.
I don't know. I always go with the flow, and
You don't
I'm
even
very
remember the step.
particular about
But
the
listen,
projects that I pick. I don't know
is
if that's a
this
good
what you
thing or
want to
if
do
it's the
more
right
of
thing. It
going
is working
forward,
out
or
for
do
me.
you want to like move into acting? Like what's the future for Shruti Sinha?
Yeah, like this was obviously something that I've always dreamt of. And like my mom was telling me, the first time when I came on TV was when
I
I
think
was in like third or
I
fourth
personally think it's a
standard.
very good thing to
Okay,
be
for
picky
some
and choosy
show which
and
was
to know
called
what you
John or
want to do.
Con. Okay, you had to win to be with, get some shoot done with John Abraham. And that was the first time I came on TV. And the first time I'm coming, like, I will be on the big screen. This movie is releasing in the theater, not on Amazon Prime, not on Netflix, the theaters. So the first time I'll be on a big screen is in John Abraham's movie. So he's like
Wow.
my lucky charm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She was like,
Very nice. Actually, what I saw your mom crying today when the video came out.
Ashish.
It was really sweet.
He's-
I want to ask Sohail and
सोहेल तो बता दे.
Ashish this also. What do your parents think about you being on TV? Ashish?
Okay.
मेरे को जाना है.
आशीष
आवाज नहीं आ
आवाज
रही.
ये तो लगा हुआ है.
Okay.
सोहेल
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि what
हाँ.
do your mom and dad think about you
Sohail.
being on TV and a
Okay.
celebrity?
So from मतलब
आपको
childhood
जाना ठीक है, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
I
Okay.
was this very
Right.
मस्तीखोर
इसको
बच्चा.
आशीष को cancel
ठीक है,
करते
जो
हैं.
मैं हमेशा
यही
मस्ती
सवाल
और करता था. And
Sohail से. Sohail,
I don't know
what do
when-
your parents think about you
Yeah.
being on?
but I don't know when I got that मतलब the whole thing कि यार मैं when I'll grow up I want to be a filmmaker and
So nothing's changed.
मैं बाहर गया, मैंने कॉल किया मम्मा को and literally I was like कि मम्मा I don't know what happened inside but ऐसा लगा कि I met my friends and then mama was like कि हाँ ठीक है, but when she saw that on TV she was so proud and she said कि हाँ अब जो तूने बोला ना कि हाँ it was a very fun session and all, तो yeah it is like when people recognize me outside. I remember now recently I had gone with I'd gone with mama for a walk and there was this guy who randomly comes up to me and he's like you are Sohail na from Roadies. Oh, I'm a big fan and all, and people are watching around and all. So that made her feel really proud, and she was like, yeah, you know, I like this. I'm like, okay, thank you. So proud, but she always tells me कि सर तक जाने मत दे. I'm like, yeah, obviously.
हाँ ये मेरी मम्मी भी बोलती है ये. With me तो my mom like sorry. No, I was like जब बचपन से this one line I've always like
Good
said
advice.
my parents जब भी कुछ लड़ाई होती थी मेरे से ढंग से बात कर लो वरना आईफा लेते हुए तुम्हारा नाम नहीं लूंगी.
Okay, listen guys.
And so it's been like बचपन से
sorry,
मैं
you were
बचपन
saying your
से
mom likes?
बहुत बड़ी बॉलीवुड फ्रीक हूँ. मैं yes I have this scar on my face. I got this when I was like 4 years old. मुझे लगा कि टीवी के पीछे से आते हैं. मुझे थोड़ी 4 साल की बच्चे को कितना पता होगा. So I dived into the TV. It broke and I still have
You
the
were
scar.
a diva from the time you were
So
born?
for me and my mom, I am fulfilling my dreams. I am just so my mom's like हाँ आईफा लेते हुए अभी थैंक यू बोलना. अच्छे से बात कर रही हूँ. Yes, absolutely.
Amazing.
Okay,
Amazing.
yes.
आप
Good.
पहले Maldives लेके
First
चलो.
step was your first Bollywood song. Second step will be IFA. It'll happen. It'll happen. And so Sohail and I will be your spot boys.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Shruti.
Thank you.
Okay, listen,
Thank you so much.
I've got to go. I've got to make another couple of calls. It's been really nice chatting with you. Shruti, once again, congratulations on the video. Congratulations to 1.3 million people on
Yeah. All every
followers. Sohail, looking forward to your video. And
out every
the next time we
episode.
go live, we'll talk about
Every
all the
episode.
times you cried on roadies. Shruti and Sohail.
I
Shruti was just telling me
I
you
got out
cried
when
30 days out
Rohan
of
got
30 on
out.
roadies.
I cried when Rohan got out. I cried
I
when
know you
Mini
cried
got
on your
out.
birth-
I
you
cried
cried
when
on your
Vidit got
birthday.
out. I
You cried
cried
when you
when
almost got
Sharan came in and didn't get in.
voted
I
out.
cried
Not
randomly.
every episode. It was
I-
like one episode that you were in danger, then Run gave you a big hug. And
See? And I was the only one. I was the only one on the left side pulling Nishkarsh. 5 people
you
were
cried when
on
you
the other
didn't
side.
get
So I am
picked for one
strong.
part of the task when we were doing the driving around the thing and the you're like, but I'm strong. I've got strong legs. Nikhil sir. Like,
Oh my God. That is
अरे,
something. How can
yes, you are
someone do that?
very strong.
I
We-
don't want to
we've
learn,
seen
but
He
I'm
sent me my
amazed.
blooper
How
video.
can someone do that?
Okay.
Acha, mine. Yes. Okay. Hey, किसको बताना मत श्रुति, please किसको बताना मत.
So
Okay,
you want
let's
to
not
learn,
put
right?
that video out.
Well, first you find a pole. That should be easy for you. You are a pole.
I would love that.
Oh,
You never know.
and I will.
You
I
never
will
know.
not.
The universe works in strange ways. The next thing you know, MTV will be doing a pole dancing show.
Oh, you will
और
be the
मुझे कुछ
student.
पता नहीं
You will
रहेगा
be
वहाँ पर.
hosting it.
मुझे कुछ पता नहीं रहेगा वहाँ पर.
Sohail,
I'm
you
like
will
कि
be
हाँ,
hosting
जो
it.
भी हुआ है बहुत बढ़िया
Not you,
हुआ है.
Shruti. Sohail
Wow!
will be hosting
मतलब
it.
ये कैसे हो सकता है?
खुद तो
ये
pole
कोई
है.
इंसान
Shruti will
कैसे
be
कर
the
सकता है?
instructor on it, and Sohail will be hosting it and will be the student.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It'll be very fun.
Only. Obviously, it's
Actually,
going to be funny.
that's a great idea for a
Just
show. We should
imagine
talk to the
people
guys
not
at
knowing
MTV and
anything.
where Shruti teaches pole dancing to people who know nothing about pole
You're
dancing.
supposed, yeah, you're
including
supposed
Sohail.
to show skin because that's where the grip
हाँ,
comes
अच्छा
from.
है.
You can't wear
ये-
slip.
And all the boys should wear
No.
tights.
This idea is really good. No, this
Yes,
idea is
and-
really
and-
good,
and
but
all the boys
for
should
the
wear tights.
contestants,
You know,
not for the host, na?
The jazz tights,
Yeah.
the leotards.
You have to do it, na?
ये यार ये ऐसे कैसे?
Sohail is
But
always
ऐसे
ready to
कैसे?
show skin.
ऐसे कैसे? मैं नहीं
Always.
ऐसे. I am the pole, Nikhil. 6'3"
You are the
tall. I
host
am the
and
pole.
contestant because you love showing skin, no, Sohail. You just love showing skin.
Oh, after listening
you
to
go
the
to
idea,
pole.
she'll be like, yeah. Okay,
I'm-
bye.
Bye.
I'm going to
Bye,
call
Nikhil.
Shalini right now and say I've got a
Bye,
great
bye,
idea for a
Shruti.
show, Shalini. We have to do this.
Bye. Bye.